Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities. This is Madhi Surendran, the founder of the relationship blog www.breezystorm.com and life improvement blog www.lifereveals.com. Today, we are going to talk about the simple ways to make your wife feel loved. You feel this topic is needless as you think that your wife knows that you love her. You're wrong. Do you know your wife often plays the love guessing game? He loves me not. Yes, it's a harsh fact that your wife never really feels that you love her. Your wife is all at sea, not knowing whether you love her at all. But you disagree with me. I love my wife. And my wife also knows the intensity of my love. You're justifiably angry. Of course you love your wife. There's no doubt about it. But do you make your wife feel loved by you? This is where you fall flat on your face. Your wife never feels your love. She never understands your care. In fact, your wife feels you've stopped loving her. Do you know why? It's because though you love your wife, you do not display it openly or clearly. Love not displayed is not love at all, my husband often told me. He was a very demonstrative person who displayed his love for me frankly. And the happiness his loving nature gave me cannot be described in words. So, your wife too wants to feel your love without having niggling doubts about it. And unless you demonstrate your love, you cannot expect your wife to feel it. Do you know why you are unable to make your wife feel your love? It's because after a few years of marriage, you begin to live your own life. You spend more time doing your own thing rather than spend quality time with your wife. Your behavior towards your wife also becomes practical and staid. You cease appreciating your wife, which makes her feel used. You scarcely talk with your wife in a loving manner. If at all your wife comes forward to interact with you, you only half listen to her. This sort of too much phlegmatic behavior on your part makes your wife doubt your love. You're missing out a beautiful way of transforming your married life. When you make your love felt by your wife, she has the capacity to transform your life into a kaleidoscope of happiness. So simple to display your love for your wife. And the resultant happiness it embeds in your marriage makes your relationship enjoyable. Here are the 5 simple tricks. Number 1, say magic words of how much your wife means to you. I love you. Your wife never outgrows these magic words. She wants to hear it from you often because it makes her feel completely cherished by you. Do you mean to say that I have to utter these words daily? It would look artificial and stilted. You laugh away my suggestion. I do not know what I would have done without you. Such words are equivalent of saying I love you. I missed you. You mean so much to me. Such simple words, aren't they? But it conveys the message that you love and cherish your wife so clearly that she feels in cloud 9. These simple words magically transform your married life from the ordinary to the extraordinary. Number 2, take the initiative to talk. Your wife loves to interact with you. She wants to share just about everything with you. But sadly, you like being with your laptop or smartphone more than be with your wife. Do you know your wife feels lonely and lost when you do not interact with her? When you're stressed and tense, you want the emotional support of your wife more than anything else, don't you? It's the same with your wife. But as a man, you feel your wife rants and nags even when she is talking normally with you. Sad, isn't it? Take the initiative to talk with your wife. Ask your wife about her day in the office. Talk to her about her interests. Share her feelings. Just let her talk. Have direct eye contact when your wife is talking to you. Do you know these are simplest of ways to make your wife feel loved by you? Number 3, share her household chores. Most of you leave your wife to slog alone with the never-ending household chores, don't you? This is really careless of you. Understand the simple fact that your wife is as tired as you. So, share her work willingly. Look after your children. Help her keep the house clean. Your wife will appreciate even the tiniest of your help when you do it willingly. Helping your wife voluntarily conveys a clear message that you will never let her suffer alone. Your wife adores you for this. Number 4, make her birthday a special day. Most of you make a big hullabaloo about the birthday of your wife during your dating days. And the poor girl feels you will make her feel excited by celebrating her birthday after marriage also. But after marriage, you coolly forget her birthday and your wedding anniversary. Your wife is nonplussed by your changed behavior. Your wife wants you to make her birthday a special day. She wants you to buy gifts for her. She wants you to take her out. These are such simple wishes. Fulfill it to make your wife feel loved. Number 5, appreciate your wife. You never appreciate your wife after marriage. You cannot deny it. You overlook your wife in many ways. And your wife feels that you're taking her dedication towards the family for granted. Your wife wants you to appreciate her. So, appreciate her cooking. Appreciate her beauty. Appreciate her presence in your life. Appreciate her hard work. Simplest of tricks, aren't they? You're often angry that your wife is nagging. Your wife nags only when she feels she's being neglected by you. So, change your attitude towards your wife from the overlooking to the cherishing. When you make your wife feel loved, she will definitely make your married life relaxing and comfortable for you. Did you like this angle of marriage realities? I'm sure you did. There are many more to come. Subscribe to my channel to know more about the realities of your married life. Press the bell icon to get latest updates about the simple ways to transform your relationship. Thank you for watching.